So you started a company, you were all excited, you did your business marketing plan, you laid everything out, but you forgot to include your culture playbook. Well, guess what? It's not too late to create it. It's not too late to have your statement and your philosophies to go around it. Think about this as your last will and living testament. Think about this when you're gone, when you're on vacation, something as simple as that. What does right look like is really manifested through your culture playbook of putting it in writing and getting your team involved. So I've talked a lot about creating a culture playbook, but I want you to think about it as really guarding the original vision you had when you made the company. When you joined the company of what it is that you thought you could do and how you could do it. So if you don't have a culture playbook and you're still trying to figure out why in the world do I need to do this when my life and my team's life is already incredibly busy, think about it as if you were to leave, if your team was to leave, if a leader on your team was to leave, with everybody left behind, know what they're supposed to do. Your last will and testament, metaphorically inside of your culture playbook, tells them what right looks like. They know how to show up. They know how to disperse work. They know what the actionable behaviors are that fit inside of the walls of the company you built. So give it some thought. Reach out to me if you have more questions or you're further intrigued. My name is Shelley Smith, your culture curator. Remember, culture isn't built in a day. It's built every single day.